Ever scrolled through LinkedIn and seen someone you went to school with, who you know couldn't keep a succulent alive, now bragging about their carbon-negative blockchain venture? Or overheard a conversation at a coffee shop where the words ESG, Impact Alpha, and green bonds are thrown around more casually than oat milk latte? What is happening? Did we all, secretly, while doom-scrolling climate news, get issued a uniform and a business plan? Is saving the planet suddenly the hottest side hustle of the decade? Welcome, future moguls, to a world where your portfolio is about to get a serious eco-upgrade. Stay with us, because today, we're answering the question on everyone's mind. Are we all becoming climate entrepreneurs? Buckle up for the inevitable 2026 shift. You're watching Money and Planet, where we prove that building wealth and healing the planet aren't just compatible, they're the ultimate power couple of the 21st century. Smart finance, sustainable future. Let's get into it. Here are the 5 undeniable forces turning us, yes, you, into a climate entrepreneur by 2026, whether you're ready or not. Number 1, your money is getting a conscience. By force. Picture this: trillions of dollars, panicking like a herd of elegant, suited wildebeest. They're running from the sinking ship of stranded assets, that's fossil fuels, unsustainable practices, and stampeding towards the green, lush plains of sustainable investment. This isn't just a trend, it's a regulatory and economic tsunami. Governments are mandating climate disclosures. Pension funds are demanding ESG compliance. If your 401k or mutual fund isn't already filtering out the climate villains, it will be by 2026. Your money is becoming an activist. Along for the ride, holding the wallet. Number 2, the green premium is now just the price. Remember when sustainable products were a niche, expensive choice for the privileged few? That's so 2020. Scale is the ultimate negotiator. Solar and wind are now cheaper than coal and gas in most of the world. Electric vehicles are reaching price parity. Sustainable aviation fuel, lab-grown meat, green steel, they're all on the same cost curve. By 2026, the unsustainable option will come with the brown penalty, higher costs, taxes, and social side-eye. The market isn't just shifting, it's rebranding normal. Your everyday purchasing decisions are now venture capital for the new economy. You vote with your dollar, and suddenly you're a full-time investor. Number 3, your side hustle just got a green light. Not everyone is launching a fusion startup. The gig economy is putting on a green collar. You're installing smart thermostats? You're a home efficiency consultant. You're setting up a suburban composting service? You're in waste to resources. You're creating TikTok content about thrifting? You're a circular economy educator. Platforms are emerging for trading carbon credits from your backyard forest garden, or for investing in a single community solar panel. Technology is democratizing climate action into bite-sized, monetizable chunks. Your side hustle isn't just for extra cash anymore. It's a node in the regenerative economy. Pretty neat, huh? Number 4, climate risk is the ultimate business plan generator. Every single climate warning is, to an entrepreneur, a multi-billion-dollar business opportunity spelled out in painful detail. Water scarcity? That's a market for atmospheric water generators and hyper-efficient irrigation. Extreme heat? That's the market for next-gen cooling materials and climate-resilient architecture. Biodiversity collapse? That's the market for biomimicry, sustainable aquaculture, and restoration tech. The problems are glaring, and the capital is desperate for solutions. This creates a gold rush for innovators. By 2026, what's your climate angle will be the standard investor question, right after what's your CAC. You're not solving a problem, you're commercializing a survival strategy. Number 5, the social license to operate just went green. Reputation is currency. And today, a bad climate reputation is like having a virus on your financial hard drive. Employees want to work for sustainable companies. Consumers are actively boycotting the bad guys. Greenwashing is the corporate crime of the century, and the internet is the jury. This means every business, from your local bakery to multinationals, must now architect a legitimate, profitable, climate-positive story. This creates an entire industry of consultants, verifiers, storytellers, and tech enablers. Your personal brand and your business brand need a climate portfolio. If you're not telling a true green story, you're not in business. So, is this all just capitalism putting on a green coat of paint? A cynical rebrand? Perhaps. But here's the powerful insight. This shift is inevitable because we've finally, collectively, priced in the truth. For decades, the environment was an externality, a free dumping ground with no cost on the balance sheet. We are now living through the Great Correction. The bill has arrived. Climate risk is financial risk. Planetary health is directly tied to portfolio health. The year 2026 isn't a magical date, but a projection of this accelerating curve. It's the point where the transition moves from the early adopters to the early majority. It becomes the default, not the alternative. You, watching this, are not just a passive bystander. You are a capital allocator. You are a consumer. You are a voter. You are a professional. In each of those roles, you are now making climate-positive or climate-negative decisions that have tangible financial consequences. That, by the very definition, makes you a participant in the climate economy, an entrepreneur of the new world. So, future climate mogul, what's your first move going to be? Will you audit your investments and green your portfolio? Will you pivot your skills towards the sustainable economy? Or will you spot that billion-dollar problem no one has solved yet? Let us know in the comments below. Which of these 5 forces is most pushing you into climate entrepreneurship? We read every single one. And subscribe to Money and Planet right now. We're your guide to navigating this profitable, purposeful shift. Every week, we break down the ideas, the tools, and the strategies to build a fortune while building a better future. Don't just watch the transition, lead it. Here's a final thought to take with you. The greatest entrepreneurial leap in human history wasn't the dot-com boom or the Industrial Revolution. It was the leap from hunter-gatherer to agriculturalist. It was a fundamental renegotiation of our relationship with our environment, turning nature from a source of immediate sustenance into a system to be cultivated for long-term survival and prosperity. What we are embarking on now is a leap of similar magnitude. We are moving from being extractors of the planet to being its stewards and system architects. The climate entrepreneur isn't just a job title, it's the next stage of our economic species. The question for 2026 and beyond isn't if you'll play a role in this. The question is, what role will you design for yourself?